cranes are flying from the east to the west, flapping over and over into the beautiful clouds. My friends, please take a sheet of colored paper and fold a paper crane with me. Fold the bottom corner of the paper up to the top corner, crease and open again. Then fold the paper in half sideways. Fold the paper in half, crease well and open. And then fold again in the other direction. Open it and then fold the two sides in along the marks to form a square. Fold top triangular flops into the center from the opening part and unfold. And then fold again in the other direction. Open model after creasing. And then fold inwards along the creases. Fold all four edges like this. Fold top of model downwards along this line and fold inwards. Repeat on the other side. And fold upwards along the middle line. Next, we'll fold the wings. Fold upwards from here. While folding in the opposite direction on the other side, make sure the two wings are separated from each other. Now, let's fold the head and tail like this. Inside reverse. Fold one side to make a head.
Wow!
At last, draw the eyes. A flying paper crane is finished. Surprise! It will fly up after you slightly pull the tail. You may fold with colorful paper in different sizes, make some decorations, and draw some pictures. Boys and girls, can you do it now? Paper cranes are flying from the east to the west, flapping over and over into the beautiful clouds. See you next time. Bye-bye.